Welcome to Keep Focus and get the inspiration that could transform your life with about 10 legit passive income websites to try to even if you have skills or not. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You may be living in the USA, Africa, Canada, China, Japan, Korea, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, or any country in this world. Regardless where you are, what you do, how old you are, what gender, nothing matters when you can learn how to earn money without hassle and getting scammed. From today's video, we are about to tell you about 10 legit websites that will pay you hundreds of dollars for the things you can do or spend time on. There is a reason why we use the phrase spend time on. We know with recent pandemic events, millions of people have turned their heads and hands towards online jobs or e-commerce, other trending money-earning methods as investing or trading. So, we know that you doubt yourself if you can compete with millions of people. We know that you don't try out online work or jobs because you don't have enough skills. We understand your concerns. So, we created this video to show you that even without Photoshop or Office or writing, editing, cooking, teaching skills, or any skill, there are websites you can join for free and start working and get paid. Wait, don't leave. This video is not just for beginners to online working or job seekers without much experience. If you have amazing skills, an urge to earn big cash, good internet connection, and time to spend, this video is made for you too. Don't trust us? Well, stick with us till the end of the first website we introduce, and then you can decide. Let's go. Redbubble. This is a website where you can use your artistic skills or not. Because in Redbubble, just typing a humorous sentence can earn you money. Redbubble is a website where you can create designs for t-shirts, phone cases, wall arts, etc. You can register as an artist for free. Why we say that you really don't need artistic skills is you can simply go to Canva or any other online designing websites, or using a bit of Photoshop, create a simple design, and upload the design to Redbubble and pick the colors and sizes you want them to be. Here's the most amazing part. Do you need printing materials? No. Do you need to contact someone to print the product when an order comes? No. Do you need to pack and ship the product? Again, no. You only need to create a design and upload. Thereafter, everything else when a client places an order will be handled by Redbubble. Cool, right? You upload and you can do anything else. For each order, a nice commission will be paid to your account. Passive income. Still not sure about it? Then how about the world-known brand name Amazon? Amazon is not just for buying products. Amazon also has a site that does print-on-demand products. You can try that too. It has the same method as Redbubble and the same service type. You only have to create and upload. In Amazon, you will face higher competition than in Redbubble. Well, here's where your researching time comes up. Try and find a niche market or currently trending subject. As an example, these days you can create no-war t-shirt designs. When the football season comes, you can create designs according to the main teams. Remember, this is a place for artistic minds as well as business minds. You will get your share of money when an order is placed under your design. You can check a rough example in the Amazon website's queue and a section. Our advice is to read the policies as well in order to create risk-free designs. Let's continue. Next up, using your writing and typing. Kindle E-books. Another amazing opportunity for passive income. Imagine writing up your life story one time and earning dollars for lifetime with it. Of course, it was simply an idea. Kindle allows you to show your writing skills and earn good money. If you don't have skills, hire a ghostwriter to write a book for you. You only pay one time to that writer, but will be earning way more than you spent just by selling that book. PingPong. No, this is not a site that will pay you money to play games or ping pong. HelloPingPong.com is a legit website used by well-known companies such as Skyscanner, Nestle, Zapier, McKinsey and Company, etc. Here, they hire people to listen to their reviews. We know, you must be thinking, why would anyone pay for giving reviews? Here's the thing. Genuine reviews of products are very important for companies to understand more about their audience and faults or improvements of their products. 1 hour can earn you from $50 to $100. Feel free to give it a try. YouTube. You may have already started a channel and tried to gain subscribers and given up. But YouTube is one of the highest paying platforms. According to the common rules, you must have 1,000 subscribers within the last 12 months and 4,000 watch hours without any copyright content. When you get that, you will find many ways to earn extra cash from sponsors, etc. Your content has to be yours. Start simple but useful. Share your experience, share your content. Record your day-to-day progress and upload. You can learn a bit about editing from YouTube itself and put it into practice. Shutterstock. Most people misunderstand that Shutterstock is all about photos. Nope. The most effective way to earn money from Shutterstock is by uploading 4K videos. Of course, the content has to be recorded by you, or you can hire someone to record it for you. Don't shy away from paying a cameraman because you will be earning way more. Even a 10-second video of a busy road can be sold in Shutterstock. C. No need for skills at all. ClickBank. This is a place for product creators and affiliates both. While they only sell digital products, the most rewarding part is the commission you get for the links you share. It is much higher than Amazon. You can earn up to 75%, meaning $100 to $1,000 per week per month. Create an account and start selling or promoting products. Flip. This is the perfect marketplace for buying and selling businesses. Think about it like this. If you have an eBay account with 50 followers or 50K followers, and you find YouTube is a better place to spend your efforts on, it will be a waste to let go of that eBay account. You can sell it here in Flippa and earn good money. People here are ready to pay high amounts to accounts or profiles, such as that. Or if you are starting new and have some cash with you, you can buy a channel with a good amount of subscribers with. Udemy. We all are familiar with Udemy. Many people buy courses from Udemy. We back away thinking that we don't have enough talent or skill to make one of those courses. If you do have the skill, don't wait up. Teach what you can and upload it. Sit back and watch as money flows into your account without a risk. As for those who can't teach, here's the trick. You can find millions of tutorials on YouTube. Follow those tutorials, then repeat the steps in your PC or laptop and record them. Then simply do a voiceover on the steps. Or you can hire someone to make an audio for your video. Not only can you add this video course to Udemy, you can use the same videos on YouTube as well. One stone, two birds. There is so much more you can do when you wrap your head around it. When it comes to online jobs, many things have the same system. You put your effort in creating one product or service, and you sell it on many platforms, and you link them. And in addition, use affiliation. Don't hesitate. Start right now. Join us with the next video to learn more.